10th Biology, Unit 18, Heredity. In this part, we are going to learn monohybrid experiment, that is monohybrid cross conducted by Mendel. Mendel conducted cross-pollination experiments. He worked on 7 pairs of contrasting characters. In the previous video, we learned the 7 pairs of contrasting characters. He didn't study all the 7 pairs of contrasting characters at a time. In the beginning, he conducted experiments to understand the inheritance of a single character. In the beginning, he conducted experiments to understand how one character is inherited from one generation to another generation. In one of his experiments, he selected pair of plants differing one pairs of contrasting characters. One of the plants is tall, another one is dwarf plant. He conducted cross-pollination experiments. In the F1 generation, the hybrid plants, all the hybrid plants were tall. So this type of experiments involving the inheritance of single pair of characters is called monohybrid cross. The crosses involving inheritance of only one pair of contrasting characters is called monohybrid crosses. In the monohybrid cross, he selected pair of parental plants. One of the plants is tall, another one is dwarf. He explained that a character is controlled by pair of factors. Pair of factors capital T controls the tall, and another factors small t control dwarf. During gamete formation, the factors separate. During gamete formation, reduction division takes place, that is meiosis takes place. Meiosis reduces chromosome number to half. So capital T enters into 2 different gametes. A gamete receives only one factor, that is capital T, and here also the gametes receive only one factor, small t. Mendel used the word factor. Now the same factors are called as genes. After fertilization, in the F1 generation, all the plants appeared tall. The gene combination of F1 tall plants are capital T, small t. The capital T comes from one of the parents, small t comes from another parent. So of the pair of factors, one of the factors comes from one parent through gametes, another factor comes from another parent through gametes. Phenotype is nothing but external appearance of characters. In the F1 generation, the phenotype of all the plants are tall. The gene combination that makes a character is genotype. In the F1 generation, all the plants had the genotype capital T, small t. He continued his experiment. From the F1 generation, he raised F2 generation. What did he do? He made the self-pollination of F1. F1 tall plants are crossed among themselves. That is self-pollination of F1. This plant, F1 plant, has gene combination capital T, small t. This the F1 plant also has gene combination capital T, small t. During gamete formation, the 2 factors separate, they segregate, they move apart. One of the gametes receive capital T, another gamete receives small t. A gamete does not receive both. A gamete receives either capital T or small t. A gamete receives either capital T or small t. During gamete formation, these 2 factors move away. They segregate. Now let us see the combination of the gametes and the appearance of the characters. During fertilization, if there is fertilization of this capital T with this capital T, that will result in capital T. And another possible fertilization is small t, capital T. So capital T, small t. Another possible fertilization is this capital T and this small t. So capital T, small t. The remaining one possibility is small t, small t. So the capital T, small t are genotypes. They are the gene combinations which make a particular character. Let us see the phenotype, that is external appearance of characters for these genotypes. Capital T in F2 generation produces tall plants. Small t genotype produces tall and tall. Small t dwarf. Capital T tall, capital T small t tall, another capital T small t tall, small t dwarf. Of the two factors, one is expressed more frequently. When capital T is there, the plant is tall. So capital T, the character of capital T is expressed more frequently. That is dominant character. Another one is recessive character. In the F2 generation, 3 plants were tall. One plant is dwarf. The tall are different types of tall. Here capital T. This is homozygous tall. Homo means same. Both the alleles are same. And these two are heterozygous tall. Here 2 different alleles are there. This is homozygous dwarf. The phenotypes in F2 generation are tall, dwarf in the ratio of 3:1. And genotype capital T 1, capital T small t 2 and small t 1. So genotype appeared is capital T small t in the ratio of 1:2:1. So phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross is 1:2:1. Genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross is 1:2:1 and phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross is 3:1. He obtained 787 tall plants and 277 dwarf plants. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1, genotypic ratio 1:2:1. In the F2 generation, 3 different types were obtained. Tall homozygous capital T 1, that is pure plant. Both the alleles are same, that is pure. And the second, tall heterozygous, 2 plants were obtained. Heterozygous plant has one dominant factor, another recessive factor. And dwarf homozygous, small t, 1 plant. So capital T, small t are genotypes. The genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Mendel came to some conclusions, some interpretations after monohybrid cross or monohybrid experiment. He used the term factors. According to Mendel, a character is controlled by pair of factors. Now the same factors are called as genes. Tall plant possesses a pair of factors. The pair of factors for tallness is represented by capital T. Tall is a dominant character. So the first letter of dominant character is used to represent the dominant character. So the factor for dominant character is capital T. Dwarf plant also has pair of factors. that is small t. This is a recessive character, so small letter is used. For dominant character, the first letter of the character is used in capital. For recessive character, the small letter of the same is used. These factors occur in pairs. That means capital T or capital T small t or small t. The factors are alike in pure breeding tall plants, that is capital T, they are alike, and dwarf plants, small t. This is homozygous condition. When both the factors are same, the condition is homozygous. If the factors are unlike, example in F1 hybrid, one of the factors is capital T, another small t. This is called as heterozygous. The factors which make a particular character are called as alleles. Alleles or allelomorphs are the factors which make a particular character. Example, capital T, small t are the factors. They are called as alleles. These factors make a particular character. They are called as alleles or allelomorphs. The two factors making up a pair of contrasting characters are alleles or allelomorphs. The two factors for two different characters are brought together after fertilization. In fertilization, the two factors for two different characters are brought together. This is dominant factor capital T. This is recessive factor small t. Both are brought together during fertilization. These factors remain together without mixing. These factors remain together without mixing. And these factors produce the character tall. The genotype capital T small t expresses the phenotype tall. When the two different factors are combined together during fertilization, one of the factors is expressed. The capital T is expressed. The character of capital T is tall. Tall is expressed. That character is called as dominant character. And the other character which is not expressed, that is dwarf, is recessive character. When the dominant factor and recessive factor or dominant allele and recessive allele are brought together in F1 hybrid, they remain together. They do not mix, so the factors are always pure. How can we understand they do not mix? They do not mix because during gamete formation, once again they separate. During gamete formation they separate. They separate independently. They do not mix. When the F1 plants are self-pollinated, that is cross between capital T with another capital T, that will produce tall and dwarf again. So the factors for tallness capital T and dwarfness small t are separate entities. They are separate things. They do not mix together. During gamete formation they separate. When the F1 hybrid plant, heterozygous plant, one is capital T, another small t, is crossed with another F1 plant. When F1 hybrids are self-crossed, that will produce tall as well as dwarf. The gene combination of tall is capital T or capital T small t, and dwarf small t. So Mendel came to this kind of conclusions based on his monohybrid experiment.